everyone. I am Josie Rachel Ulinaw, a business administration student, major in marketing management. Today I am going to tackle the two topics, which is the high or low pricing and the horizontal price fixing. Price strategies overview. Pricing is not just a one-time decision in business. It is the dynamic part of the marketing mix, which changes as products move through their life cycle. While many of the companies adjust their prices annually, some industries update prices monthly or even weekly based on the competition and consumer demand. High or low pricing. It is a pricing strategy where a firm charges a high price for a product and then subsequently decrease prices later on through promotion, markdowns, or clearance sale. So high or low pricing, these strategies involve setting the price high, then offering discounts, promotion, or clearance sale to attract more customers. For example, retailers like Macy's introduce product at full price, but as season ends, they mark down prices to clear out inventory. High or low pricing serves multiple purposes. Number one is it generates excitement during sales event. High or low pricing creates a sense of urgency and anticipation among customers. When a business announces temporary price reduction or discount on selected items, consumers feel motivated to take advantage of the deal before they disappear. Number two, it drives more traffic to store or online website. Temporary price drops attract bargain hunters and regular shoppers, encouraging them to visit the store or online website. Once customers arrive, they may explore other products, leading to additional purchase beyond the discounted item. Number three is stimulate the sale of the products and sell and turn inventory that would otherwise be unsellable at the initial price. So, business use high and low pricing to clear out older stock or seasonal product before they lose value. By offering discount on this item, companies can free up storage space and reduce losses from unsold inventory. Advantage and risk of high and low pricing. So a properly implemented high and low pricing can help the business or firm to generate more profit, but only if the customers buy multiple additional items that are fully priced. However, there are risks. One of the possible risks of loss. It happens when a business not place its lower price items properly or dealing with price-sensitive shoppers. Additionally, constant marketing for the sales can become costly. Horizontal price fixing. It occurs when two or more competitors conspire to set prices, price level, or price-related terms for their goods and services. With very limited exemptions, price fixing is per se illegal, regardless of its reasonableness or actual effect on competitions. As a result, price fixing is a serious business. Unlike high or low pricing, which is legal pricing strategy used to attract customers and manage inventory, horizontal price fixing is illegal under the Sherman Antitrust Act. The reason is it eliminates fair competition and harms consumer by preventing natural market forces from determining prices. So we know that horizontal price fixing is per se illegal. So there are legal implications of horizontal price fixing. Under the Sherman Act, any agreement between competitors to fix prices is considered per se illegal. This means it's illegal regardless of whether it actually harms consumer. So the violators can face fines up to $1 million for corporation and $100 or even 3 years in prison for individual involved.